Hello and welcome to the Mattis Law Group. I'm Christine Mattis, the owner and founder of the Mattis Law Group, and I want to welcome you to our firm. I want to show you what to expect when you come to our office, especially if you haven't been here before or it's been a while. You know, coming to see an attorney can be overwhelming and daunting, so we want you to feel as relaxed and comfortable as possible so that you can share your story and we can be here for you. We are located at 81 East Water Street. We're on the second floor. When you come to our office, you have availability to our free parking. When you enter through our doors, you're going to take the elevator or the stairs to the second floor, and you're going to check in Suite 2C. There, one of our team members is going to welcome you and have you fill out some brief paperwork. And then when we're ready, a team member will take you to one of the 3 conference rooms to start your meeting. Again, we appreciate you trusting us, and we are looking forward to seeing you. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact us, and we'd be so happy to help you. We look forward to seeing you.